you're spending hours on routines that don't deliver results. Here's what to do instead. Welcome back, fitness enthusiasts, to another dose of reality in a world overflowing with wishful thinking and marketing hype. Today, we're tackling a topic that's probably cost you countless hours and untold frustration: the myth of the fat-burning workout. You've seen the headlines, you've tried the routines, and if you're honest, you're probably still wondering why that stubborn fat just won't budge. Let's be clear. The fitness industry is a minefield of misinformation, especially when it comes to shedding body fat. Many of us are diligently performing exercises we believe are melting away the pounds, only to be met with disappointing results. The truth, as always, is far more nuanced than a catchy slogan or a quick fix. Effective fat loss isn't about sweating more or targeting a specific body part. It's a complex, systemic process. So let's pull back the curtain and debunk 3 pervasive workout misconceptions, revealing what actually works. First up, let's talk about the grand illusion: spot reduction. This is the idea that if you relentlessly work a specific muscle group, the fat directly covering it will magically disappear. Think endless crunches for a six-pack, or those peculiar inner thigh lifts to banish thigh gap woes. The logic seems simple enough: work the muscle, burn the fat around it. But here's where reality bites. Your body simply doesn't operate that way. Fat loss is a systemic process, meaning when your body decides to tap into its fat reserves, it does so from all over, not just the area you're currently flexing. You can build incredibly strong abdominal muscles, for instance, but if they're still hidden beneath a layer of fat, they won't be visible. Your genetics, unfortunately, play a significant role in determining where your body stores fat, and crucially, where it decides to let go of it first. So, while those crunches are certainly strengthening your core, they're doing very little to reduce the fat layer that might be obscuring your hard work. It's a common trap, leading to frustration and the belief that you're not working hard enough, when in reality, you're just working smart enough. The effort is commendable, but the strategy is flawed. What truly works for revealing those underlying muscles? It's a multi-pronged attack. You need a consistent calorie deficit, meaning you're consuming fewer calories than your body expends. This is non-negotiable for overall fat loss. Couple that with full-body strength training, which builds metabolically active muscle tissue, and consistent cardiovascular exercise to burn additional calories. This holistic approach reduces overall body fat, and eventually that fat loss will extend to all areas, including those stubborn target zones you've been trying to spot reduce. Next, let's tackle another enduring myth: the low-intensity fat-burning zone for cardio. For decades, fitness gurus and gym equipment displays have championed the idea of exercising at a low to moderate intensity, typically around 50–70% of your maximum heart rate. The rationale? A higher percentage of the calories burned in this zone supposedly come directly from fat. It sounds appealing, doesn't it? An easy, comfortable workout that primarily targets fat. However, this is a classic case of focusing on the percentage while ignoring the total. While it's true that a higher proportion of calories burned during low-intensity exercise might originate from fat, the total number of calories burned during such a session is significantly lower compared to higher-intensity workouts. Let's put it into perspective. Imagine you burn 100 calories during a low-intensity session, with 70% of those coming from fat. That's 70 fat calories. Now, consider a higher intensity session where you burn 300 total calories, even if only 40% of those come from fat. That's 120 fat calories. The higher intensity session, despite a lower percentage from fat, burns significantly more total fat. Furthermore, higher intensity workouts, particularly high-intensity interval training or HIIT, offer an additional, often overlooked benefit: the afterburn effect. This phenomenon, scientifically known as excess post-exercise oxygen consumption, or EPOC, means your body continues to burn calories at an elevated rate for hours after your workout has concluded. Low-intensity cardio simply doesn't provide this metabolic boost to the same degree. So, while a leisurely stroll has its place for general health, don't mistake it for the most efficient fat-burning strategy. What does work? A smart, varied approach to cardio. While steady-state cardio certainly has its benefits for cardiovascular health and endurance, incorporating HIIT or other vigorous cardio sessions can be far more time-efficient and effective for overall calorie and fat burning. This is due to the higher total calorie expenditure during the workout itself and the significant epoch effect that keeps your metabolism humming long after you've cooled down. Don't be afraid to push yourself. Your body will thank you for it. Finally, we come to the widespread belief that cardio alone is the ultimate weapon against fat. Many people spend countless hours pounding the treadmill, cycling, or ellipticals, often completely avoiding the weight room. The reasoning is often twofold. They believe lifting weights will make them bulky, or they simply see cardio as the more direct route to fat loss. This is perhaps one of the most detrimental misconceptions for long-term, sustainable fat loss. While cardio is undeniably excellent for burning calories during the workout and significantly improving your cardiovascular health, it's not the sole, nor even the most efficient tool for sustained fat loss. Here's the critical piece of information often overlooked. Muscle tissue is metabolically active. This means it burns more calories at rest than fat tissue does. A pound of muscle burns roughly 3 times as many calories at rest as a pound of fat. When you neglect strength training, you miss out on a crucial opportunity to build and maintain this metabolically active muscle mass. This muscle is vital for boosting your resting metabolic rate, or RMR. Your RMR is the number of calories your body burns just to keep you alive, even when you're doing nothing. If you lose weight primarily through cardio and diet without strength training, you often lose both fat and muscle. This reduction in muscle mass can actually slow down your metabolism over time, making it increasingly difficult to keep the fat off and leading to that frustrating plateau. What does work? A truly balanced fitness regimen that intelligently combines both cardiovascular exercise and strength training. Strength training is your secret weapon for building and preserving muscle mass. This, in turn, increases your RMR, meaning you burn more calories around the clock, even when you're not actively exercising. This metabolic boost, when combined with the calorie-burning effects of varied cardio and a proper consistent diet, creates a powerful synergistic effect for sustainable and effective fat loss. It's about building a more efficient fat-burning machine, not just trying to out-exercise a poor diet. So, what's the takeaway from all this debunking? True fat loss is not about chasing fleeting trends or falling for marketing gimmicks. It's a holistic endeavor that demands more than just targeting specific areas or adhering to outdated fat-burning zones. It's about understanding your body and working with it, not against it. The real path to lasting results involves creating a consistent, sustainable calorie deficit through a balanced and nutritious diet. This is the foundation upon which all other efforts are built. Simultaneously, you must prioritize building and maintaining metabolically active muscle through consistent strength training. This is what transforms your body into a more efficient fat-burning furnace, even at rest. Finally, incorporate varied cardio workouts to efficiently burn calories, improve your cardiovascular health, and enhance your overall fitness. Forget the quick fixes and the magical solutions. Focus on consistency, proper nutrition, and a well-rounded exercise program that integrates both strength and cardio. This isn't the glamorous answer, but it is the honest one. It's the path that leads to lasting results, a healthier body, and a more informed approach to your fitness journey. Thank you for watching.